Okay, in previous video I have talked about the models and I've created an article model, and now I want to use this, like how we can have this. So I just say first article, and the slug will be like first article, and it will be the first article mentioned, and I just want to put something. And here in the image I want to have something like I want to have this image, and I want to take the date and all the things from here, published, and I save this. Okay, when I save, exactly you see here article object 1. It has not shown some descriptive things here, but it shows something article object. So we will be confused. We do not understand what it means actually for us. What is the solution we should have here? So in Python, when we want to return a string, the class, we should have the method of string or str. So this is a class, and we want to have the class, or we want to return the class as the string. We have underscore underscore str underscore underscore self, and we want to return that self dot title. Well, we want to have the title of this article. Now we have saved this, and when we refresh this, we just see first article, the title has here. Now we have the title, and we have here the image, and we already installed the pillow. Now I want to just check this. It throws an error like 404 not found. It says exactly that image, flower, JPG, well, something it tells, but we do not have the image here. Now let's see. Here I have image, a folder image, and let's see the images. And when I take ls flower.jpg, we have an image here. Let's see from here. It will be more descriptive for us. And the root directory, after we have this blog, and the blog we have something like, well, image has something in flower, but there is not, well, it doesn't show. Now how we can have this in our website or web page? How we can show this? See here, we have two things when have the project, like one is static file and the other is media file. So when we have the production mode, or when we are in the production mode, we just have some settings for the server of nginx or server of server of Apache. But now we are in the development mode. In the development mode, we do not need to have all those. So let me have here some settings, like here I want to have media URL. The media URL will be /media. So in the root directory there should be a directory called media, and then all the media files should be there. Media URL will be media, and media root will be like, I want to take the root from here. So just see the database, and the database all are like this. So here mentioned. So I want to take like this, and just change the name of db.sqlite into what? Into media. It's very, very simple. We have these two lines here, and now if I do something like this, if I first refresh this, I want to run the server. Okay, I check this. Now it says the correct thing. it says that still it is not found, it still is 404, but it says that in the media, and after that images, and then flower.jpg. You have to visit this page and you will find. Let's see either we have this or not. Let me zoom a little this. Now in root now I want to have a folder of media. In media I just want to have the images move. Okay, in the media we have images, and the images we have, well, flower. Okay, all the things are great here, but still it doesn't show. When I refreshed, and again if I do the same thing and I refresh this and I just find this, and still it says the same thing: media, images, and flower.jpg. How we can solve this? Let's specify something here. I want to search here like Django static file. Let's see what we find here. The documentation of Django. For example, let's see this. This is the documentation. In the documentation, it says how to manage static files. Well, in the static files here, it says this is a static file, and now I want to have the media file. Here it says, for example, if your static URL is defined as a static, you can do this by adding the following. Well, now in the main URL, I want to copy this. Let's see here. Well, and the config and the URL, I want to paste it here. I have from django.config import settings, we have settings, and from Django config URL we have static. How we can use this? Now let's see the media. Here is the code for media, and I want to copy and paste it here. It says that media URL will be from there, and settings media root will be here, and from django.config the settings will be imported, and all the things, everything is set here. Now I want to see the if I open this, the picture or the image is shown here, but before that it was like 404. It's very, very important. You have to know this. So we can have many articles here, and we have everything here. Okay, so I am telling all these for now because the media and everything is very, very important in the models. So I have talked about the views, and I've talked about the URLs and setting the the admin panel and everything. So up until now you have learned about the views, about the URLs, and the separation of URL, and the models, how you can create the models, and how you can use the model in admin panel. Because when you just include this in admin panel, or you just register this in admin.py file, you can use that in admin panel. It's very, very easy. And secondly, we have learned about the static file and the media file. In the media, always you have to have a folder in your root directory, or in your root of your folder or your project. When you have the folder, and everything will be image or media will be there. So for now I think it's enough, and you have learned about the migrations as well, and you have seen all the migration here and migrate. So in the next video we will talk a little in advanced, and we will talk about the template design and style and everything. So